How to check files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. If you cannot find it on your home screen, open the App Store. From here, tap on the search bar at the bottom. Now, type in and search for Files. From the results, select the default Files app. Tap on Open to open the app. You can also update the app from here if available. In the Files app, you can locate and view your files, organize and rearrange them in folders, compress, rename, and share them with friends. Under the Location section, you can see various storage options. If you go over to iCloud Drive, you can view all files and folders synced with your Apple ID. Then, if you go back and tap on My iPhone, you can check for files that are saved directly on your device's internal storage. You can use the search bar on the top or scroll through to check any files or folder you want. Following these steps, you can easily check files on an iPhone.